Hello, this is Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition, bringing you Try Something New for the month of October. We're going to make some beef crescent rolls using some cooked ground beef, cream cheese, green chilies, and a sheet of crescent roll dough that you can get at the grocery store. We're going to start by slicing that in half down the middle. Then we're going to mix our ground beef, cream cheese, and green chilies together. And once that's completely mixed, we'll take one of our dough pieces and we're going to put half of that mixture right down the middle. There we go. Now we're going to roll the bottom over the middle, then we're going to fold it over again and make ourselves a little tube. And then from here, we'll do the other part. And now we're going to cut them into bite-sized chunks. So I'm cutting them straight on the tray just so that we don't have to move them again. And then that way they actually are easier to take apart. But at the same time, they cook up and don't over brown. All right, make sure all of those are not connected to one another. Then we're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 14 to 18 minutes. And here they are completed. And this is what we have to serve. Wanted to make a huge shout out to Damien who submitted his recipe. And it's something that will be sampled at every single elementary school in Mansfield ISD. We hope you join us. See you there.